How to add music to your Instagram profile. Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows you to add music to your profile, making it more engaging and personal. Before we start, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, update it first. Now we can begin. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap the Edit Profile button located beneath your profile picture. Here, you will see the music option. Tap on it. You will be directed to a search bar where you can browse or search for a song. Type in the name of the song or artist you want to add. By tapping on the track, you can hear how it sounds. Select your desired song from the list. After selecting the desired song, tap the arrow in the bottom right corner. Then, choose a specific portion of the track to play on your profile. Tap the checkmark to confirm your selection and save the changes to your profile. Go back to your profile, and you'll see your selected song displayed beneath your bio. Tap on it and select View Audio Page to play the song. This is an excellent way to share your vibe with visitors. Do you agree? And that's it. Your Instagram profile now has a musical touch that reflects your personality. For more updates and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.